If you want to change the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to update that button text so your sign-up form says what you want it to say. This is great if you want a more branded call to action, a clearer message, or simply a button that matches your offer better. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look at the main navigation and click on Forms. This is where Mailchimp keeps the tools for managing your sign-up forms and form settings. After that, click on Other Forms. This will take you to the area where you can edit the different form options associated with your audience. Now scroll down until you find Form Builder and click it. Inside the Form Builder, you'll see a drop-down menu near the top. Open that menu and select Sign Up Form. This is important because you want to edit the actual sign-up form text, not another form type. Once you're in the sign-up form settings, look for the option that says Translate It and click on it. Even though it says Translate, this is where Mailchimp lets you customize form labels and button text. After that, scroll down until you find the Subscribe button text section. Click inside that text field and replace the current button text with whatever you want. For example, you could change it from Subscribe to Buy Now, Join Us, Sign Up Today, or any other call to action that fits your brand. Keep it short, clear, and action-focused so visitors know exactly what to expect when they click. After you've entered your new button text, scroll down and click Save Translation Settings. This saves your changes inside Mailchimp, so the updated wording is stored properly. Next, click Build It. This step helps Mailchimp apply the update to the form design, so you can confirm the change is working correctly. Once it loads, take a look at your form preview, and you should see that the subscribe button text has changed to your new wording. And that's it. You've successfully changed the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can customize your form so it better matches your brand, your campaign, or your offer. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips, email marketing tutorials, and simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.